One Real Askel, you know? And you know me not believe in that time. Skellion is my way. You know time with say no, man. Well,
God is in my life. God is in my life, yeah.
So I'm gonna prefer dead than take the bun. Okay, it's alright. Bun him!
I wasn't ready, but you blindsided me. I'm in love, so in love.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, the Lion and Lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV, and we're the man of peace. And we always accept the violence of the streets, living love, unity, and strength. Life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. Yes, so I say, anyone there, I check in right now. Big up on yourself. Give thanks for the continuous support and love and guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. In this episode, we have Blacker on the platform. I ask some questions. You know what I mean? Yes, we also have a local performance from him with him hit song Burn Him. Real Askel have a song named God is in my life. On the Vibes Cartel, God is the greatest with him. They sound good. Yeah, man, good and look a snippet of that. You see me? And also, you don't know, showing a look clippings after PNP and JLP linking up. And it's a good look, good scene, good sight. Which is right. Yes, I mean, election are forward. Time come. And I don't know before we kick off the vlog. I want to big up Daddy Reds and him new show. Them watch the video. See, where him preview music videos. A good look. Good look. Big up Daddy Reds. I feel like that show you gonna work. Yeah man, it gonna work. Is it? Viewers and subscribers. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. See? Peace.
Everything on Lion TV, fully balanced. Mikey Bash with the balance boss to that. Lion TV to the universe.
Okay, my lioness. First, we're going to kick off the show with some blessing and some inspiring words from Real Askel 45. God is in my life. All God-fearing people. Listen.
God is in my life. God is in my life, yeah.
Is God in your life? I know God is in my life. So if God is in your life, drop a comment in the comment section below and say God is in my life.
Gotta watch over me. When the heathen try push over me, them want kneel and choke run over me. For the blessing, I pour all over me. See that?
Yes, man, when the wicked them a try to stop you, them don't know the Father God a back you. Is it? Yeah, man.
Gotta watch over me. When the heathen try to over me, them want 4, 3, 6 run over me. For the blessing, I pour all over me.
Yes, man, when I hear the artist say 436, at the boss him attack in the London, you know? Yes, I know London, the artist base, so him have to sing where is around him and where him live daily, you know? 436 is at the big bread bus them, you see me?
Me receive the blessing them one by one. My little and I grow, Jaja, keep me strong. I ain't no fear no man, cause I'm on just a man. Tell me if my right and tell me if my wrong.
Yes, Real Askel 45, you're right, man. A man is just a man, you can't fear no man. You see me, I say one man no fear no God, you see it? Yes, man, I fear a tooth for a tooth, but you have some people out there them wicked and they want to get the youth rise and strive, you know?
Some want me lose all my right and left hand. Enough no want me DJ, no want me sing a song. Enough of them no want me one up a mansion. Me and youth a go on me meditation.
Yes, Real Askel 45, man, nice song. Enough people now want to get the youth rise and strive, you know? Enough of them I say them no want Askel boss, you know, because I'm a bad artist. Likewise, I'm a Rick Towot. You know what I mean? A Father God will say. Okay, my lioness, the song is titled God is in my life. Brand new pan God is the greatest rhythm sound good, man, I lie. Yes, what I say, I don't know if it is on YouTube yet, but recently the artist dropped it. And from me get it, I say, you know, if I highlight it, you see me? Yeah, man, God is in my life. But go over the Instagram page and check him out. Real Askel 45. I go look on YouTube if it's on YouTube too. You see it? Moving on.
one of them to create history. Put on Bob Marley song then, big song, and every generation come to over him. Look how Rosalie kept going for her own and call a bag of things. Ladies, let me tell you this, your pools are going to drop.
Yes, man, big up Black, a real veteran of the business. Ooh, you know what I mean? I do the thing for a long time and always I encourage a bread. You know, Black have him in platform, in top 20 countdown. And I'm not telling like Black give me support. Yeah, man, I always encourage, man. Enough other artists Black encourage and broke bread. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, so Black are a real general. You see it? But about the Mansa song, burn him, you know, it. Once you find out it can, it will always be a hit song. You see me? Where the people them know it, you know, you see me? Big up Black, a real entertainer, you see me? Also can perform. Yeah, man, blood, a good look. You know, Black I say, but you know, when I end up some woman for just go bond them, man, so I believe in long-lasting relationships. You see me, I say, but you know, you have some woman love go bond him, and the woman them, when I indulge when the man in my mind, you know, not go to them things, or if you use them, and you see me, I say, no, that's not right, but you know, Black I say, bond him. But anyway, you're Black I say.
I ask you one question. I see an artist sing a song and say, Pie his name. I mean, I hear no man say nothing. Then me and one come now, I say if you kill him, I mean not hear no say nothing. Oh, but when me say bun him is a problem, so I'm gonna prefer dead than take the bun. Okay, it's alright. Bun him!
Yes, man, Black I said them see man double standard and triple standard, man. You see me? So Black when Black did sing money, you know, him and Maca did come on a heavy scrutiny from the man them. Some people they say them that look for Black for beat him and them thing there. You see me? Allegedly, you see it? Yeah, but Black I say, yo, where the two artists sing two songs, one I say kill him, one I say this a poison him, and nobody na rush them like how them did rush him when he sing the song Burning with Maca Diamond, you see me? And him right, Black have a point and him right, man, you see it, but Black I say, buddy. Let me know what you think of that, my viewers and subscribers. Say it, moving on, watch our carnival scene here, Jamaica, land of my birth, I love my country. Yo, what a nice scene, man. I wish me did this right now in person. That's what I say. And it's a good look too. PNP and JLP linking up, you know what I mean? Orange and green and all the vibes. Yeah, man, it's just one love, man, one Jamaica, man. But I don't know politics. The JLP are run against the PNP, andrewholness, Mark Golding. And me just say, andrewholness time comes still, you know? Give Mark Golding a chance now. To see if he can better the country and do something. You know what I say? But we can see where I go on, but overall it's a good look for PNP and JLP enjoying themselves at one venue, the same place. You see what I say? Yeah, man, niceness. Alright, we're going to close off now with Daddy Reds. Watch the video. You have a new show name, watch the video. I'm showing you a little small clippings, and you can go over on page, you subscribe, and watch the next episode we are forward. Yeah, man.
Thought this love game had me beat, but you make me feel so complete. I'm in love with you.
All right, the next one is from one of my peoples, one of my artists, Ras Imaric, the man who sings "Who Feels It Knows, Who Feels It Knows." Yes, that Ras Imaric. I want you all the way from the UK to introduce your tune today. So my brethren, take it away. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Daddy Reds tell them enough nights we gotta be bed hungry. We couldn't go nowhere through we short or close. Watch and one first see the image of your voice and what I American ears and eyes. I represent for Daddy Reds and watch the video. Sure. Yes man, today a song will be featured and watch the video titled What Really A Gwan. What really a gwan pan the island? No rain or fall, I just be a blood a shed. What really a gwan pan the island? Young, old, innocent, guilty or dead. Daddy Reds all over Jamaica war. People are drop like dead leaf pan the tar. Man a kill pan foot, pan bike and inna the car. Me read it inna the gleaner, observer inna the star. I beg you put down the gun, Ruan.
Think before you squeeze the trigger, Ruben. Daddy Reds are moon for 12-year-old Dujan. Stop the violence against kids, men and women. Watch the video show. Keep it locked. Don't move a muscle. Violence off the streets. Four corners. Hey, live it. I'ma take life and cannot give it. Youths, wanna stop the crime. And this song is produced by Jadona Records. I live from in America there. Yeah man, a song we are going good, you know. Yeah man, big up Daddy Reds for featuring it on your platform. Jadona Records. Don't a yard, life a pop like card and a scratch up like Yes, I know what I have to interject, but watch the video. See, go and check out, watch the video by Daddy Reds.
That's the type of music we need today. The message is in the music. Yo, teach the youths them and teach the elders and anyone who needs to learn, all right? Now, let's go back to some vibes. Clary Angel, Queen, tell them how to wind up your waist.
Yes man, watch the video. Brand new show from Daddy Reds over YouTube. I tell you say nice, cause I watch it and I tell you say me even discover some song and music videos where I've never heard before. So Daddy Reds do a great thing. You know what I mean? My highlight the unknown them. Yes what I say? Yes. So go over there, watch it, subscribe. Zine, watch the video. Daddy Reds, big up yourself. Keep up the great work. Angels, big up yourself too. That's what I say. Yeah man, enough love and blessings. Peace. And the man of peace. Lionfoot. That's what I say. Yeah man. God is in my life. Big up.